Welcome to our coral classroom.
Today, I have Coral City's rarest pearl.
Ooh. Wow! Wow! Look at that! It's so shiny and perfect.
Like an underwater star. We only look, class.
I want to see it closer. It was here, and now it's gone. The pearl's gone. Oh no, did I make it fall? You just touched the pedestal, Gil. The pearl's gone, Mr. Grouper. What's happening?
Time to talk about honesty. Honesty is telling the truth, even when it's hard.
I lost my coral key.
I have the key. Mr. Squid, I found your key. Thank you, little one. So brave to tell the truth. Telling the truth warms the heart. Oh no. I have to tell the truth, even if I get in trouble. Mr. Grouper, I broke the vase.
Thank you for being honest. We'll clean it together.
The truth helps fix things. Honesty solves problems, but it's kinda scary.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing about the shiny truth. It's a bubble party dancing with our friends. Bubbles floating fun that never ends.
A secret's hiding in your heart. It scares you, keeps you quiet.
Truth can sting a little bit, but it gets you past every glitch.
Open your mouth, let truth fly free. Fear pops away, you'll see.
Honesty's like a pearl so bright, it shines forever.
Tell the truth, tell it today. Honesty's light will shine always.
Truth isn't scary.
Now let's find that pearl.
To find the pearl, let's be honest. I hit the pedestal hard, I'm sorry.
Thank you for being honest, Gil.
If Gil tapped lightly, the pearl rolled nearby.
Bubble trail leads to the art area.
What's up, Gobi?
What's up, Gobi? Nothing, Molly. Gobi, did you see anything? No, I didn't see the pearl. Gobi, be honest. It will help us. I painted the pearl, but it wasn't good, so I hid it. Sorry.
Thank you for your courage, Gobi. You did the right thing.
I ate all the cookies. I ate a coral cookie without asking. Sorry. Dima, we're looking for the pearl, but thanks for being honest. Now, Una and Nani. A mud trail by the window. If the pearl rolled here, it might be muddy and in the trash. Gil, you bumped the pedestal near the window? I told the truth. I only tapped it.
What if Gil's hiding a bigger secret?
Don't suspect friends. Focus on your own truth.
Here it is. Oh, a muddy pearl. We found it, but it's dirty. It wasn't my fault. Who dirtied and tossed the pearl?
The pearl's found, but dirty. Who'll be honest now?
I'm sorry. I dropped the pearl. It rolled into mud, and I was scared, so I tossed it. Thank you for telling the truth. You are brave.
I'm proud of your honesty.
Maybe we should clean up now.
How do we make it shine again?
Let's get to work, team. Our coral classroom needs a good scrub.
Scrub, scrub, make it shine again.
Wow! Look at it!
Shinier than before.
Honesty makes it glow. Truth makes everything better.
What's honesty, Guppies?
Honesty is telling the truth, even when scared.
Ah! Honesty is saying sorry for mistakes.
Honesty fixes what's broken.
Honesty stops us from doubting friends.
Honesty is the best gift for friends and yourself.
Be brave and tell the truth today.
Yay! This is fun! We are the Bubble Guppies.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.
Ocean buddies, swim away. See you soon another day.
I won't swim so fast next time. Goodbye, friends. Have an honest day, everyone.